Hi everyone, with God's grace, let's today complete with the 38th pauri of Japji Sahib. Jat Pahara Dheeraj Sunar. Self-restraint is the furnace, patience is the goldsmith. Means control the senses and be patient. Sayam bhatti hai, Dheeraj Sunar hai. In this body, Guru Nanak compares God with goldsmith and symbolizes man as gold. He says that self-restraint is a furnace where the gold is purified. Only by going through the difficulties, a person can attain the supreme happiness. A life of a self-restraint is one in which a person is well aware of his goals. It gives vision and mission. जब एक दिशा चुनते तो शेष सभी छोड़नी होती. जीवन में सब कुछ तो पाया नहीं जा सकता. He who tries to attain everything ends up with nothing. Each moment carries infinite possibilities. You have to make a choice to attain something. जो भी चलेगा उसे तो फिर दिशा निर्धारण करना होगा गंतव्य की ओर. But who does not walk, they don't need that. Mind travels in 1,000 directions, leaving you in fragments. But to become eligible, fit for his abode, you need to be integrated. वहां तो अखंड ही चढ़ेगा. He who is total within himself can gain entrance to Lord's assembly. उंगली कट जाने से कोई अधूरा नहीं होता. चेतना कट जाए, मन बिखर जाए, then you are incomplete. Mind is always fragmented. Don't trust it. You will get nowhere. नानक कहते मन के पीछे जो साक्षी है उसकी बात सुनना. Then you will be able to remember your goal for which you came in life. सार के लिए असार को छोड़ना संयम है. Because worthless has no value in itself. Everyone passes through sorrow and pain. When you pass through suffering with full awareness, when you accept यह परीक्षा तो पास करनी ही है, then the whole alchemy of suffering changes. रास्ते के पत्थर प्रज्ञावान के लिए अवरोध नहीं, सीढ़ियां सिद्ध होते. Gold, which wears high temperature in the furnace, is cleansed and purified, और व्यर्थ से छुटकारा मिल जाता है. God is attained through infinite patience. You must have heard, quicker attained the earlier lost. शूद्र सुख जल्दी मिल जाते हैं, but vanish quickly. परमात्मा को पाना जो सदा रहेगा, हेतु अनंत धैर्य चाहिए. अहिरन मत वेद हथियार. Intellect is the anvil and knowledge is the hammer. बुद्धि निहाई है, ज्ञान हथौड़ा है. Anvil निहाई means the block of heavy metal on which hot metal pieces placed and then shaped with hammer. Intellect can be used in two different ways. बुद्धि को छोला बना लो या फिर निहाई. Fill it with informations, newspapers, scriptures, abuses and praises. Like a ragman fills his sack. Inside the sack, mantra mingles with the foul words. Weight parts सब अखबारों में खो जाते हैं. And this becomes our memory. It's not knowledge. ज्ञान तो अपने अनुभव से मिलता है. This so-called intellect is just a collection. so that people feel so free to distribute knowledge. यह उधार का ज्ञान फिर मुफ्त बंटता है. Real knowledge born out of life's experience, जीवन के संघर्ष से मिलता. अनुभव उधार नहीं मिलते. Neither it born out of scriptures. Knowledge will be created only if इस निहाई और हथौड़े के बीच हम आ जाएं. जब जब कभी जीवन में चोट पड़ती, ज्ञान का क्षण पैदा होता. Make your intellect like an anvil, and its shine will improve with each experience of life. Hammer may break sometimes, but anvil remains intact. निहाई निखरती जाती. भाव भला अग्नि तपताओ. Fear is the bellows, austerity is the fire. भय धोकनी है और अग्नि तपस्या है. Fear can be used in two ways. The one is to run away and the other is to surrender. All fears of life flee in this manner if you face them in full awareness. Don't be afraid of anything. Where there is a fear, accept the challenge. जहाँ भय होता है वहीं योद्धा पैदा होता है. He who learns the art of using fear, for him fear becomes like a bellows. Every moment of fear ignites the flame of austerity. God-fearings do not run from God. Rather, they transform it into devotion, prayer. Austerity is a fire. Where there is a suffering, इसे तपस्या समझना. Accept your sufferings fully and openly, and be resolute. Don't indulge your mind in the other things. Otherwise, you will miss the opportunity. ये मुश्किलें, ये परिस्थितियाँ भी परमात्मा तक पहुँचने का मार्ग बन सकती. पांडा पाऊ अमृत तित डाल. The crucible of feelings melts the nectar of love. भाव ही पात्र है जिसमें अमृत ढलता. Thoughts are superficial. Feeling is the consciousness beyond the thoughts. Feelings arise from the heart, out of love, so they are beyond logics and reason. But as we grow mature, attention is given only to intellect. Heart is ignored. भावनाएं धीरे धीरे पीछे छूटने लगती. Because we feel intellect is of great use. Success comes only with intellect. But you know, this so-called our intellect is shallow in itself. फिर यह कहाँ पहुँच जाएगा? Only some superficial things may be collected with this. In Hinduism, many rituals are designed to strengthen the feelings. Bhav. We worship rivers, sun, moon, trees and bow in their respect, so that we can feel an emotional attachment. We can see one Nirankar is behind all. All we are attached with each other. Everywhere there is a sensitivity. But man alone lost his sensitivity. तभी यह जग सूना और उदास प्रतीत होता. If you have no feelings, फिर तो परमात्मा से सदैव वंचित ही रहना पड़ेगा. Begin to use your heart gradually. Whatever is happening, let it be. Allow your heart to be thrilled with ecstasy. कड़िए सबद सच्ची टकसाल, जिनको नदर करम तिन कार, नानक नदरी नदर निहाल. Minting the mind with the true point of Shabad. Only those who are bestowed with His grace can succeed. Such people enjoy the blessing of seeing God within them. सत्य के टकसाल में शब्द का सिक्का खड़ा जाता, जिन पर उसकी कृपा होती वही ये कर पाते। नानक कहते वे उसकी कृपा दृष्टि से निहाल हो उठते। Word means Onkar. As the truthfulness advance in life, the flower of Onkar begins to blossom inside. जब ओंकार की धुन सुनाई पड़ने लगती, फिर सब बदलने लगता। But this ecstasy can be felt only if His grace is bestowed on us. Nanak reminds, don't be filled with pride. मेरा जप मेरा तप, It's only His नदर। परमात्मा प्रेम से मिलता, प्रयास से नहीं, भाव से मिलता, युक्तियों से नहीं, उसकी अपनी अनुकंपा से मिलता। Feeling of intense love deep in the heart lure him, binds you with God. Love is the only master key. His eternal abode's entrance becomes open for you. उसके हृदय में जगह पा लेना, उसका प्यारा हो जाना, सिद्ध हो जाना है। Thank you. That is all for today.